Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Welcome back, everyone, to another Two Bros Entertainment video. And today, happy Thanksgiving to all, although it was yesterday. But still, happy Thanksgiving. So, if you saw the last video, which I faced off Skinny the Great, you saw a little sneak peek of me doing Dr. Hal's robots. So, and you see, I'm going to face him right now, actually. And, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Oh, kitty cat. No, kitty cat. Get out of the way. Ignore the black cat that you just saw. Alright. Alright. So, here's their lunch of the day. If you like robots, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I know lots of people like robots. Alright, here we go. Fun fact, I beat this boss without taking any damage. Oh my gosh. Well. Oh my gosh. Why in the world? Well, that was kind of stupid. Alright. So the point of this boss is that you have to destroy the robot in order to face off Dr. Cal. And the switch is at low battery. Connor! Oh, he's playing Cave Maker a lot. Oh. Aha. Okay, I'm in a sticky situation. Come on! Finally. Alright. Alright. Get rid of that. That's my little tip. I just fire off special attacks to like break down the heart. Alright, there we go. Alright, second phase. Malfunction. Oh, that was horrible. Okay. What's stupid is that like these little like bombs follow you, which I do not like that at all. Alright, final phase, here we go. This is Dr. Hal. Well, really Dr. Cal, but I call it Dr. Hal because I have these weird names for these bosses, you know, like Cagney Tarnation, the Root Snack, who else do I have? Skinny the Great. Pretty soon I'll be facing off Snoopy LeGrande. I might be able to beat this boss without taking any damage. Ah, never mind. There we go. That ought to do some damage. Come on, come on. Come on, let's beat this boss. Yes! Alright! Oh my. Well, that was a breeze. Oh, by the way, today's title of the video was scrapping the enemies. Forgot to say that in the beginning. Alright. No, that was kind of short. Let's face off a different boss. A one I beat expert mode off of. Alright. Here we go. Cala Mari. Let's do it. Oh, great. We're starting off like this. Oh, great. The electric eels. Alright, so. Oh, great. Do this one, and then these little ghosts. Alright. Alright, I'll do this. See yours. Okay, the red fish, you can parry the pink things, which I want to try and get. Oh, no. Yes. Alright. Alright, second phase. Let's do it. And ignore the background noise. Alright, so the tricky part of this is there are a bunch of electric eels, and I'll be like shooting weird little things. Oh no! Ah! Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Final phase. We got there with no damage. No. Alright. Oh no! Alright. The Mike beats its boss first try. To the fryer! Alright. Well, first try, let's go. Well, everyone, that'll be it for today's YouTube video. And like I say all the time, if you want to see more Cupone videos, just tell me what kind of bosses and levels you want me to face next. And if there are any challenges you give me, just let me know, and then I'll do them. Without further ado, signing off for now. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video to the channel, and to tap at the notification bell. And now, if you'll excuse me, I think it's time that we go in here. Interesting. All bets are off.